The wine industry contributes over 49 billion rand to the economy per year. But when COVID-19 hit South African shores, it brought the industry to a standstill. The ban on liquor sales and, at first, the ban on bottling and exporting took a major toll. An estimated 18,000 jobs and billions of rand were lost. Around 80 wine cellars are expected to close its doors. When sales resumed under Level 3, there was a glimmer of hope. At the beginning of June, bottling and trading were in full swing again. Around half of South African wine is exported, and it takes years to cultivate relationships in these highly competitive markets.
For the most part, we have had very sympathetic importers and retailers in our international markets. I think the fact that there was a fair amount of media attention around the fact that we were not allowed to export has made a big case for us as South Africa, as our exporters haven't been seen to be unreliable as such. It was merely a case of they simply weren't allowed to export. So I think over a period of time we will see the long-term impact, but we're hoping that it will be minimal as things unfold.
In other sectors, production continued. The harvesting and processing of fruits such as apples saw big changes on farms. Sanitizers and masks are mandatory and screening is done daily. Concern was, however, expressed with exports as the COVID pandemic created a worldwide backlog at harbours and ports. The first income might only be seen months down the line. Organised agriculture will listen carefully to Finance Minister Tito Mboweni on Wednesday.
Agri-Western Cape is looking forward to hear what coordinated support government will be giving to the agriculture sector post-COVID-19 to alleviate financial pressure on farmers. Compliance with COVID-19 measures is a huge expense for producers. The negative impact of COVID-19 on the agriculture industries that were not allowed to function during Level 5 is substantial and has a negative impact on jobs in the sector.
The organisation also hopes substantial funding will be made towards rural safety following 2 farm attacks in the province this week. Other major factors include the critical situation the land bank is in and the maintenance and expansion of infrastructure. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.